Hi there, Michael Charles here from iLive, Life on Purpose. I wanted to come on and share a very specific tip with you. A lot of people are thinking of passive income and residual income as the same thing, but in reality they are not the same. They may be very similar and people try and use them interchangeably, but they are not the same, right? You could be creating passive income, but you don't have any residual income. So residual income is income that you have or money you have left over after you've taken care of all of your monthly obligations or bills or anything that you have to spend money for on a monthly basis. Now, passive income is money that you make with minimal or no effort at all. See, they are not really the same thing at all, but people use them sometimes interchangeably. Now, I will tell you this. The more money you make, the more passive income you have coming in, the higher the likelihood that you will have more residual income. So there's a correlation there, but it really is not the same thing. Passive income, money that you make with minimal to no effort, or at least you've done the work up front. You've put in the work up front in order for you to make passive income. Residual income is money you have left over in your hands, money you get to keep after you've taken care of all of your monthly obligations, right? Liabilities that you have for the month. That could mean paying your car note. That could mean paying your utility bills, your mortgage, or your insurance, or anything that you have as a bill that you need to take care of on a monthly basis.